easy to make and rich in nutrients. Today I'm making Moong Dal chilas with green chutney. Let's get started. Let's begin by taking 1 cup of washed moong dal. Into this I'm adding 1 cup of water and letting it soak for 3 hours. Once the dal is soaked, remove the excess water. Next, with the soaked dal, I am adding 2 green chilies and 1 inch of ginger. Now I am grinding it well and turning it into a thick paste. Let's take this out in a bowl. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon haldi or turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix this well. And our batter for Moong Chilla is ready. Now let's move on to the next step. To make the chilla, I am greasing the pan with some oil. Now I am pouring the moong dal batter over it and flattening it like a dosa. I am sprinkling some chaat masala, chopped coriander leaves and red chilli powder. Next, it's time to add some ghee on top and let it cook from one side. Now I'm flipping it over and cooking the other side as well. Similarly, let's make some more chilas. Our moong chilas are ready. Now it's time to make the chutney. For that, I am taking 2 cups of coriander leaves, 2 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, 1 inch of ginger sliced, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of water. Now let's grind it. And our delicious chutney is ready. Serve these chilas hot with the chutney and give your family a healthy treat. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.